Hey everyone, I'm Zach. I'm the artist and co-project manager for the Polygoonz. The Polygoonz minting and customization is live, and that's what I want to show you today. So we're going to hop over to polygoonz.finance. This is the main project website where you'll find information about the Polygoonz, a bit about the story, the features, our roadmap, a bit about the team here as well. And up at the top, underneath the header, we can see that minting is live. What we're going to do first is make sure that we are connected to the Polygon network in MetaMask. Google is your friend if you don't know how to do this. The first result will show you how to add Polygon to MetaMask and making sure that you're using the most up-to-date RPCs. The other thing you can do is search the Polygon gas just to make sure that the gas prices are reasonable for the time. So this looks good. 50 is fine. We can go ahead and connect and mint. So when you first visit the site or refresh the site, you're going to get a pop-up here to connect your MetaMask to the Polygoonz website. And if you have multiple accounts, it's just going to ask you which one you would like to connect with. So we're going to choose this this account here. This is demo account. And that's going to connect with the Polygoonz site. It'll show you the address that you have connected. Slider, you can choose how many Polygoonz you want to mint, and we're just going to mint one today. So when we're ready, we can just go ahead and click the mint button, and we should be all set to go here. So we can see the price is 30. We can see the gas is 006, which is fine. If you want, you can go to edit and adjust your gas prices. But I did check the gas and it looks like it will be fine. So I think we should be good to go. I'm just going to click confirm. And we will get a transaction processing signal here on the website. And what we can also do is actually look what's happening in MetaMask with respect to the transaction. We'll see that processing pending here. And we'll probably see it. Oh, okay, it happened fairly quickly. Often it will process first in MetaMask and then happen on the Polygoonz site. So we've successfully minted Polygoonz number 153. Look at that little cutie. All right, so we're gonna click on check out my goons. This will take us to the customization Dapp. So we have some instructions here. Please read these. There are a few things that are quite important that you do. First of all, it is the same app that we used for minting, so we are already connected to our wallet here. The first thing, if you're just connecting for the first time, you do need to approve staking on this page to be able to interact with the staking contract and customize your Polygoonz. So I'm going to go ahead and approve staking. This is going to throw a MetaMask pop-up here to confirm this transaction. The gas should be fine on this. It's a very simple approval transaction. And that will update quite quickly on the website. Once that is processed, then we'll be able to go ahead and start interacting with our Polygoonz. Again, read the instructions. You have to claim your accessories before you start staking. If this is your first Polygoonz, then of course you don't have any accessories to start staking. But if you had multiple Polygoonz and you minted a new one, you might be tempted to just throw items right on them. That will cancel out the goon power of your Polygoonz base, which is super important. So we're going to click on claim accessories first here. So once we click this, it'll say accessories claimed. It will take a couple minutes for the accessory NFTs to actually mint to our wallet and appear on the website. That is just a matter of processing time, and it can take a couple minutes. So just sit tight and be patient, and give it a couple refreshes after a minute or two. So I'm just going to wait a second here and refresh. All right, so that took about a minute actually, which again is quite quick. I have had it take up to about 5 minutes. So again, just refresh and you should be good within a couple of minutes to see your accessories. So we'll scroll down here to look at the items that have been minted to our wallets. And we see the different clothing accessories, shoes, legs, shirt, face decoration, a hat, and last but not least, the items and pets. Nice. Frog prints. All right, so now what we can do is we can start staking these to our Polygoonz. And the way this works is we select which Polygoonz ID we want to send the item to. Of course, if you only have one, then that's going to be the only ID that you see in this little dropdown. But this dropdown will show you all of the Polygoonz base NFTs that you have. So you can choose which one you want to send each item to. So I'm going to select this item ID 153. I'm going to start with the platform here. I just like starting with the bases, and I'm going to click stake. And this is going to send a transaction to MetaMask for us to approve. These also are simple transactions. You should not need to adjust the gas on these at all. Although it seems like I'm getting an error here. Yeah, this is not right. So I'm going to, if you get this error, and this is, or an error like this, it could mean a couple things. I've seen this error pop up when I've forgotten to be connected to Polygon or Matic. So make sure you are on the Matic and Polygon network. But the other thing to do is just give the page a hard refresh. So I'm going to reject that transaction, do a Control-Shift-R hard refresh of the page. Again, it will show the account that we have connected. The approve staking button is gone because we have approved that. And let's just try again. So I'm going to select our Polygoonz ID, click stake, and see what we get here. This looks better. So 006 is totally fine. So that looks great. I'm going to confirm this transaction. And I'm going to just open up MetaMask here to take a look at the pending transaction to see how quickly that is going through. And so it shows as pending right now. When it's finished, the image will update automatically, but it will take a minute or so for the image to update. So the transaction has processed in MetaMask. I don't have to refresh the page here at all. This item will just pop over like it has just there, and it will disappear from our inventory as well in a moment. And so I'm going to go down to our next item. So weather is a none trait. I'm going to skip down to our base and then give this guy something to stand on. Pop that over, stake, and again, I'm going to click confirm when this comes up and confirm these staking transactions. And that will allow us to customize our Polygoonz. And that's all there is to it. We just go through one by one and stake our items. Looks like it's trying to figure something out here. I'm just going to do another hard refresh. I'm going to click reject. It's trying too hard to figure that out. Hard refresh. Control-Shift-R is your friend. And let's try again. So again, clicking on 153, the target Polygoonz ID and stake. And hopefully it'll give us a proper transaction to approve here. There we go. Confirm. So you can go through and do this with all of your items. You don't have to wait for the item to appear in the image, but you should wait for each of the staking transactions to process in MetaMask before initiating another staking transaction. So as long as it's cleared from pending, then you're good to start the next one. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And there we have it. We've staked all of our accessory NFTs to our Polygoonz base, and we do not have any more items in our inventory. We can see that all of our items have been staked to the Polygoonz base NFT over here, and we've increased the goon power to 675. Because this was a demo, I think it only makes sense to give this little guy away. So retweet, like, of course, and give us a comment about your favorite Polygoonz pet that you've seen so far. And one random person will win this Polygoonz token 153. Pretty cool. Just to comment on that, when you're interacting with your Polygoonz through our Dapp, you will see all of the accessories that are staked. But if you're looking at your Polygoonz NFTs on OpenSea, they will appear in the nude. So just something to be aware of, especially if you're planning on transferring, which we will do for this giveaway. You will receive this Polygoonz NFT and it will look just like this in OpenSea, but when you go into the Polygoonz Dapp, you'll see all of the items. Another just minor detail is when you first claim your items, they will appear in your hidden tab. When you stake them, they now belong to your Polygoonz NFT. So they're not in your wallet anymore. They're in your Polygoonz wallet. But when you unstake them, that is a transaction that you are conducting to receive that NFT, and OpenSea will add those items directly to your main collection if you unstake them. So enjoy the Polygoonz. We hope you love minting and dressing up and customizing your various Polygoonz. Of course, it is way more fun with more Polygoonz, so definitely get on that. And the last thing that I always love to do is just take a quick screenshot so that you can share your Polygoonz with us in Discord, on Telegram, and on Twitter. So I'm just going to grab a quick screenshot here. And lovely. There you have it. Enjoy. Let us know what you think. And we look forward to seeing you in our community. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.